welcome to Science in Slow Motion. In this video, you will be shown different examples of Newton's laws of motion. The scientific laws will be demonstrated.
Here you are seeing the second law of motion. The second law of motion states that acceleration is produced when a force acts upon a mass. The force is the energy the host uses to push the orange ball, which causes it to accelerate. When there's more force, there's more acceleration. When there's more mass, there's less acceleration. Here you will see that the orange ball contains momentum, and when it hits the yellow balls, the momentum is divided up between all of them. The amount of momentum stays the same, but is distributed between all of the balls. At the end of this video, you will see that the balls continue to move until friction finally slows them to a stop.